So good day, Prof. Marie and classmates. I'm Jim Bartolaba Batedio. I will be presenting to you my Web Information System final project, which is the Online Registration Consolidated System or ORCS. To give you an overview, up to date, the registration processing of Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines or the chosen organization are separately stored to 3 to 4 laptops in the registration area. To validate any status, knowing that these local PCs are not yet consolidated, the organization staff will ask to each station the updates of the delegates. ORCS is developed to address this issue and to have a centralized web data management for the registration processing. Let's have a demo for the system. So this is the login page of ORCS. Let's put the username and password credentials of an admin user. So the homepage of ORCS consists of three tabs. The Attendees tab, where we can see the attendees information. To put data in this page, we need to import an Excel file containing the attendees information. This file is extracted from the cloud computing system used by the organization, Salesforce, where the district managers and medrep will input their target invitees. Here is an example file to be imported. We can see the district code, district manager's name, territory code, territory or medrep name. These lists of names are responsible of handling specific doctor. We can also see the information like the MD ID. This field is hidden in ORCS because it's not necessary for viewing feature. And also the MD name, the plan status where the doctor accepted the invitation and his role. Let's try to import this Excel file in ORCS. So let's select the file name and import. As you can see, all the information in the Excel file is displayed in the attendees page. We can also see the number of accepted delegates over the number of the actual attendees. And for the registration proper, the edited value will be the actual status using the option column. This is an admin feature. User role cannot edit the actual status. Actual status may be attended, declined, or no-show. We can also search any names in the search box. For example, we just want to see the list of doctors under district code 2110. So we can see that there are two doctors under the district code 2110. Refresh button is included so that the other users in ORCS will see any changes on the provided list of delegates. If by any case a delegate is not in the list, we can manually add it in the system with the given details. MD name, plan status, role and actual status are the only required field to add an attendee. Let's try to add a new attendee. Dr. Rocky Dizon. Accepted, moderator, attend, and add. So we can see Dr. Dizon is now attended in the list of delegates. So the last feature in the Attendees tab is the Export button. This is an admin feature. Right after the registration period is done, we can now export the final file in Excel format. So click Export, and here is the Excel file containing the actual status of delegates. This file will be then re-uploaded in Salesforce for the actual attendees of the activity. So let's move to the next tab, the Users tab. Users tab is for user management feature. This feature is only accessed by the admin where we can see the list of users in ORCS. We can edit specific field or delete a user. We can also add a user and give a specific role. And the last tab is Summary. where we can see the planned delegates versus the actual delegates per district manager's code. And now let's try to access user credentials. User roles are given to organization staff that are not part of the registration processing. They only need to see updates of the delegates without the column in Attendees tab and the Users tab. So that's it for the version 1 of ORCS. Thank you for watching.